So hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'll show you the simplest technique to solve the numerical based on IDMT relay. Here suppose we have given the CT ratio as x is to y and the fault current on primary side of CT is given as IF, and to calculate the fault current on secondary side we have the formula, or we can simply say it as relay current. So relay current can be calculated as IF into y upon x, and suppose we have percentage current setting of CT is given as IPA, and to calculate the plug setting multiplier we have the PSM. So to calculate it we have fault current in relay coil upon the pickup value, and the fault current in relay coil which is as here we have relay current obtained as IF into y upon x. So we'll use here IF into y upon x, and the pickup value is given as percentage current setting upon 100 into rated secondary current of CT, and we have rated secondary current of CT as y. So here we have IF into y upon x upon percentage current setting as IP upon 100 into y. So on calculating we will get here the value of PSM as IF into 100 upon x into IPA. And let's take an example. Here we have a numericals, and this numerical is once asked in 2018 fall of Pokhara University. An IDMT type overcurrent relay is used to protect a feeder through 500 upon 1 ampere CT ratio given as 500 upon 1, and the relay has a plug setting as given at 125%, and the time setting multiplier is given as here 0.3, and here we have to calculate the time of operations, and the fault current is given as 5000 ampere, and here we have the given the table for PSM and the respective time of unit in TMS. So for that we have the step here, we have discussed all the step here, and let's solve this. So first the relay current, for the formula for relay current is IF into y upon x, and here we have given the fault current as 5000 into y upon x, and y upon x means 1 upon 500. We have the CT ratio as 500 upon 1, so y upon x is written as 1 upon 500. So relay current can be 10 ampere. Similarly, to calculate the PSM we have the formula fault current in relay coil upon pickup value of current. So for that we have fault current given as IF into y upon x upon percentage current setting upon 100 into rated secondary current of CTs, as I have discussed previously in this step. So IF into y upon x, we have the fault current given as, we have obtained IF into y upon x as here 10 ampere, so 10 upon and the percentage current setting. So percentage current setting as mentioned in the question is 125%, and rated secondary current, so we have 500 upon 1, and here in the secondary side we have 1 here, so 125 upon 100 into 1, and on calculating this we'll get here as PSM 8. So from table corresponding to PSM at 8, so we can see in these tables here corresponding to PSM at 8 we have the respective time of unit is 3.2 given, so the time will be 3.2, and the actual time of operation is given as this time into TMS, means time multiplier setting. So 3.2 into time multiplier setting is given as in the question is 0.3 we have, so 3.2 into 0.3, so we'll get here 0.96. Similarly we have the next numericals referring to figure 1. Given that the fault current, here we have the fault current given as 2000 ampere, and the relay 1 is set on 100%, and the CT ratio for relay 1 is 200 upon 1. Similarly for relay 2 we have the set on 125%, and for discrimination the time gradient margin between the relay is 0.5 seconds. Here we have given the time gradient margin 0.5 seconds, and during the time of operation of the two relay, assuming that both the relay have the characteristics as shown in the following tables, and the relay 1 has a time multiplier setting of 0.2 given, and here we have given the table for PSM and the respective time in second. And it's referring to this figure, so first we'll follow from this path, from this way, means from right to left. So first we will calculate for relay first. We have IR1, so fault current IF into y upon x, and we have fault current given as 2000 into y upon x, and the CT ratio is 200 upon 1, so fault current is 2000 into 1 upon 200. So we'll get here relay current as 10 amperes. And to calculate PSM, we have PSM equal to IR1 means this 10 ampere upon this percentage here as a mentioned in this step, percentage current setting upon 100 into rated current of cities. So we'll use that. So on calculating we'll get the PSM as 10. Similarly from table corresponding to PSM at 10. So at 10 we have 2.8 here given the time. So the time will be 2.8 second and the actual time of operation will be this time into TMS, and 2.8 into TMS, and TMS is mentioned as 0.2 in the questions. Here we have the relay 1 has a time multiplier setting as 0.2 as already mentioned in the questions. So on solving we will get here 0.56 second. Similarly for relay 2 we have the relay current as IF into Y upon X. So the value of relay current will be same for relay first and the relay second. So which is equals to 10 ampere. Similarly pickup current is calculated as percentage current setting upon 100 into rated secondary current of cities, and which is Y. Rated secondary current of city is Y, and which is equals to 1 here. So 125 percentage means 125 upon 100 into 1, which is 1.25 ampere again. So the PSM as mentioned will get here 8 as. So from table at PSM equals to 8, here at PSM equals to 8 in the table we have 3.5 second. So the respective time is 3.15 second. So the actual time of operation will be the time of operation of relay first and their time grading margins. And for relay first we have obtained the time of operation of relay 1 as 0.56 and the time grading margin is mentioned as 0.5 in the questions. So to calculate the TMS we have actual time of operations upon this time means 3.15, which is obtained from the tables. So we'll get here 0.3365. Similarly we have the third numericals, and this numerical is once asked in 17th hall of Pokhara University, and it is one of the most important numericals which is repeatedly asked. So let's have a look on this numericals. Here in this numericals, here it is given that the fault current level at 33 kilovolt side is 2700 amperes, and the CT ratio at 33 kilovolt is given as 200:1, and on 132 kilovolt side is 100:1 as shown in the figures. So you can see in this figure, and if both the relay R1 and R2 are set for 100%, and here you have clearly mentioned means both the relay are set for 100% clock settings. So for that we have to determine the operating time for both the relays when the time grading margin of 0.6 second is given, and the time multiplier setting for relay first is 0.15, and operating time corresponding to PSM 32.5 is mentioned as 2.6 second. Similarly for PSM at 6.75 the time is mentioned as 3.6 second. So let's start. So for relay first we have to calculate the relay current, we have the formula IF into Y upon X, and the fault current is given as 2700, and Y upon X we have the CT ratio 100:1, so Y upon X will be 1 upon 200. So we'll get here 13.5 ampere, and pickup current will be given as we have 100% clock setting given as 100% into rated secondary side current, so 100% into 1 equals to 1. And to calculate PSM we have relay current upon pickup current, so we'll get here 13.5, and corresponding to PSM 13.5 we have 13.5 mentioned as time as 2.6 second in this question. So the respective time will be 2.6 second, and actual time operation will be this time into TMS means time multiplier settings, and time multiplier setting is given as 0.15 in the questions. So we'll get here on calculating 0.39 second. Similarly for relay 2 we have given here the transformer ratio as 132 upon 33 kilovolt. So for relay 2 we have to calculate the new fault current. So for calculating new fault current we have IF into means previous fault current into this transformation ratio means 33 upon 132 kilovolt, and on substituting the respective value you will get here 675 ampere. And so relay current will be IF dash into Y upon X, which will be 6.75 ampere, and pickup current is as it is set for 100% clock settings, So it will be 100% into rated secondary side of CTA. So on calculator we will get here as 1. So pickup current will be 1 ampere and PSM will be this relay current upon pickup current. So we'll get here 6.75 and corresponding to PSM equal to 6.75. Here we have mentioned as the time for corresponding to PSM at 6.75 is 3.6 second mentioned in the questions. So we'll get here time as 3.6 second and the actual time of operation will be the time of operation of relay fast plus time grading margins. So we'll get here 0.39 plus 0.6 means 0.99 second. And to calculate the TMS we can write it as here actual time of operations upon these times means 0.275. And sometimes in the numericals while calculating their respective PSM their value is not given, so in that case we have to use the interpolation techniques. And to calculate this with the help of interpolation techniques we have a simple tricks based on calculators, and I have uploaded a video on that, so you can go and watch in my YouTube channel. So in this you can calculate the numericals based on IDMT relay. Thanks for watching this. Hope you enjoy the lecture.